hot cocoa bar video. So I am collaborating with Kim from My Feather Nest. She's going to have her hot cocoa bar up to today. Go there and watch that video. You're going to love all her videos. So you're going to love Kim's videos. You have to go and watch her. She's so sweet. She actually bought a farmhouse. She's renovating it, so that's going to be really fun. You should follow her and follow along and see how she renovates her farmhouse. Anyway, she's so sweet. I always watch her videos. You're gonna love her. So don't forget, I'm gonna have the link down below. Go watch Kim's video, her hot cocoa bar station, but watch all her other videos too, and watch her farmhouse renovation too. So you guys are gonna love her. I know you are. Okay, so on to my hot cocoa bar video right now. Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. And right now, I'm going to do my hot cocoa station, and I'm gonna show you how I do it, and I'm gonna take you step by step how I do my hot cocoa station and give you guys some ideas. It's different from last year. So I have two other videos of my hot cocoa bar. This is my third one. So you can go watch my other two so you can get more inspiration and maybe you like those better than this. So I will either have the links down below or I'll have the links at the end so you guys can watch those two videos. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. I'm going to start cleaning this space, have it nice and clean. I'm gonna use Mrs. Meyer's, the peppermint scent. It's my favorite, and I want my house to smell all pepperminty. All right. Okay, so I finished cleaning it. It's nice and clean. So I have this up here, Christmas Blend Hot Cocoa. That's from Hobby Lobby. So I just stuck it up there with some command strips. So that was easy. And then this 2 cheer trays from Hearth and Hand from Target. So that's going to stay right there. I think that's gonna work. And right here is my cookie jar that I haven't used for many, many years. I thought I lost him, but I didn't. So here he is. He is going to be in my hot cocoa bar. Okay, and right here this is what I wanted to show you. My whole house smells like peppermint. So this is really cute, and I think it's gonna look really nice in my hot cocoa bar because it's a mug and it's pretty good size. I'm just in love with it. So this mug is from Scentsy. So if you guys are interested and you want this mug to purchase, the link's going to be down below and you can purchase it from my website. I've been working with Scentsy. I didn't do a video to show you guys yet or what I'm doing. That's going to be another video, but since Christmas is here and if you really want this, it's really, really cute. And I just love it. It melts the wax so perfect. I just love it. I'm very happy with the product. And I just think it's so cute because it's a mug and Santa. So that is really cute, and that's gonna stay in my hot cocoa, and I have peppermint in there and it's smelling so beautiful. I cleaned this with peppermint. That is going. Everything smells so pepperminty. I just love it. All right, I want to show you another product from Scentsy, and it's plugged in my wall and it's just so cute. Let me show you. That's a little mug too. So look how cute this gingerbread. So this is a plug-in and you can shut it and turn it on. I think it's really, really cute. This would be cute for a hot cocoa station too. But I have a little gingerbread station here, so that's why I left it. But anyway, that is for the home tour. I'm not going to show you guys, but if you're interested in purchasing this, it's really adorable. It's pretty big. Look at my hand. It looks like a real mug. You know, I'm gonna have the link down below. Just go to my site and just check out all the Christmas goodies they have. I'm gonna do another video and showing you everything they have for Christmas. But if you're interested, go, because before they sell out like crazy. my hot cocoa bar, candy, and like dessert area. So what I'm trying to show you, a beautiful layout if you're having guests come, and not like for every day, obviously, with the desserts not wrapped, exposed. So I just want to give you guys some ideas. You know, I'm going to give you a closer look, obviously, right now, but you can buy things from the supermarket and just put them on the plates and make them look pretty. You don't have to bake them, or even go and get really expensive things, like right here. Like right here, this is all supermarket stuff. So, and then you just place them beautifully. So right here, these cupcakes from the supermarket. This was actually from a bakery, but these, so you don't need to go crazy. The supermarket has so many great things. All right, so this is the overview, and I am going to tell you in detail everything, because I know you guys love stuff like this. So this platter is from Threshold. It has a lid. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, and I love the lid. It's really pretty, so that's good to keep the stuff fresh. So if you're not having a party and you just want to put a cute little desserts in here every day for your children and for yourself, this is perfect. So that's what I usually do. So the peppermint chip, the chocolate chip, and the mini marshmallows are from Hobby Lobby, and they do have lids. And the little scoops are from Hobby Lobby too. Hobby Lobby has, not right now because everything is totally gone. I went, but once the season comes, just go there. They have so many hot cocoa bar stuff. I mean, they have so many great things. And then that tin is hot chocolate. That's from Hobby Lobby too. That little hot chocolate can is from Michael's, and these are from Target Dollar Spot last year, I think. All right, and here I have Hershey Kisses, and then I put the sprinkles over there. My Santa mugs, this tree is from Target. This is from the Pottery Barn ornaments, and these are salt and pepper shakers, but I just use them for decorating. I just love them. The Santa and Mrs. Claus are kissing. So I got these from Pottery Barn. That little truck is from Target. I got another mug back there. I have the candy canes in a jar from Target Dollar Spot like 3 years ago. And then I have the little Santa Claus chocolates back there in that jar, which I love. That's hot chocolate. And then these trees are from Target Dollar Spot. I don't even know, many years. So I got another wooden tree. And my Santa this year, this is what I wanted to really do, is hot chocolate in here. So I have a scoop, and then I put the mix in a Ziploc bag so I can zip it up to keep it fresh. But I put it in here, and I think it's a great idea instead of having an ugly container. So love that I put it in there. So right here is from Scentsy, my warmer. He is so cute. He is a big mug size. I just love the Santa Claus cup warmer. If you guys are interested and you do want this, I'm gonna have a link down below. Just go there, you can buy it. They have many more stuff for Christmas. You can check that out. And I do work with Scentsy, so that's gonna be another video I'll explain to you guys. But right now it's Christmas and these go really fast. So if you want this mug, go get it. Okay, and I love it, and it makes my whole cocoa bar smell so great. All right, so this candle is hot cocoa and cream. It's really cute. This is from Bath and Body Works. Okay, and then I have the cookies all exposed, but if you're not having a party and for every day, I advise for you to have it in something that is, you know, sealed in a container. But I just want to give you guys an idea, if you're entertaining, that you can use store-bought grocery stuff, and they're really cute and inexpensive. And these are cute. I got these for my kids this weekend. We went to see Santa, and they were selling these cookies. So these are really adorable. I just want to eat them. Okay, and I want to show you one other one, because I showed you this Santa warmer, mug warmer. I want to show you this other. It's a plug-in. It's another warmer, but since you're doing your hot cocoa bar, I think that would look good in your hot cocoa bar. Let me show you guys. How cute is this mug? Okay, you can shut it off, turn it on. I just love it because it gives light in your kitchen at night. It's just so beautiful. It is big and it just heats the wax so great. And if you're interested in this, go, I'm gonna have the link down below. Just go, it's my site. You can see all the other stuff they have too, the other warmers. They have a lot of Christmas ones, but I will be doing another video and showing you all the warmers I got from Scentsy. All right, really cute. So yeah, I'll have the link down below if you're interested. Alright guys, so that's my hot cocoa bar this year. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to see my 2 other ones because it's my 3rd year doing it. So you can watch those other ones just in case maybe you didn't like my other ones because they're all a little different. I try to do it different every year so I can give you guys variety and different kind of hot cocoa bar station. I don't want to do it the same every year, so I can give you guys ideas. You just go to my videos and see what you like and then try to create it. So I love doing things like that. I love inspiring you guys. So this year I did it like this. I gave you some other ideas like putting hot cocoa in a cookie jar, how to make a nice cookie display, treat display, you know, from the supermarket. You don't have to go spend a lot of money. They have a lot of good things, so you can put it on your plate and make it pretty for your guests. You know, if you're hosting a party, even for Christmas, if you're making a hot cocoa bar party, or just every day for your kids, but every day you could just, you know, keep them sealed. But I showed you this year how they look if, you know, they're not sealed and they're displayed nicely. So yeah, and of course you can use the things you guys like. This is what we usually use. And so that works good for us. Alright, so if you like my hot cocoa bar, give this video a thumbs up. Down below, let me know if you're doing a hot cocoa bar this year. I'd like to really know, you know, what kind of cocoa bar you guys do, if you have any special tricks for me, anything. Alright, 2018's hot cocoa bar. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you're having a beautiful holiday season. And just view all my other videos. You know, I even have home tours. I'll try to link everything down below. You can see the last year stuff, the following year, until I have my 2018 home tour. So that's going to be coming up really soon. Show you guys how I decorated. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my hot cocoa bar. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.